Hey guys, it's Drew and I'm doing another update on my current grocery row garden, and everything is still coming together. I've been getting some decent rain, so the lemongrass borders along each row is starting to green up. The sweet potatoes are going well. The Tithonia diversifolia is starting to pop a little. Things are starting to really flush. The Seminole pumpkin, as you can see, is going crazy. It's growing all over the place. It's starting to really run. And I've already harvested quite a few pumpkins because I'm wanting it to produce as much as possible. Still working on getting as much organic material and biomass into my rows. Right now it's Tithonia diverse or rotundifolia, chopping and dropping that, and also grass clippings, as well as chopping some lemongrass. So not too much right now. It'll be slow but steady. So I'm looking forward to, in the next couple of months, to really see how much organic matter I can get in these rows and how much everything changes. I'm really excited. The bananas in this row right here are doing okay. Like I said, working on getting as much organic matter as I can placed around those bananas, trying to feed them as much as I can. I'm not certain I'll be able to get them to fruit before our next frost in 2023, but we'll see. Let's see, the moringa is starting to pop out. The Tai Nung sweet potatoes right here are doing really well. They're finally really starting to push out new growth and run, so I'm really happy about that because I'm really looking forward to eating those in the next couple months. But everything's coming along. Every week I'm mowing, so that's added grass clippings, so that'll be able to slowly start to feed some things. The moringa is doing pretty well. I actually, as you'll see here in a moment, I pruned back some of the kind of suckers coming off the bottom of the trunk because I want them to be taller trees, just putting its energy into the one stem. That's all for today, but I'll keep you updated. Have a good day, guys.